In this video, we'll guide you through the easy and simple process of assembling your Comfy Cubs Kids House gated floor bed right out of the box. Here's what's included: 2 short side panels labeled number 3, 1 short frame and 1 long frame panel labeled numbers 4 and 5, 1 short frame panel labeled number 7, 1 door panel, 2 combined top bars, 4 legs, 4 support bars, and all necessary hardware. Step 1. Attach the legs. Begin by taking 1 side panel labeled number 3 and placing it flat on the ground. Align legs labeled 1 and 2 with the pre-drilled holes on the panel. Insert the long bolts through the legs and tighten securely using the Allen key. Continue to repeat these steps with the other 3 pre-drilled holes. Once finished, repeat these steps with the other side panel number 3. Step 2. Assemble the frame. Take panels 4 and 5 and connect them by inserting the bolt holders through one side of the pre-drilled holes and the small bolts through the opposite side. Use an Allen key on each side. Hold the bolt holder steady with one key while tightening the bolt with the other. Repeat for the remaining pre-drilled holes. Next, attach the long panel to one short panel using the long bolts to create one half of the frame. Then, connect the remaining short panel to the opposite side. Finally, attach the door panel to panel 7 using the short bolts and bolt holders. Secure this assembly to the rest of the bed to form a sturdy rectangular frame. Make sure all panels remain aligned and level. Step 3. Install the support bars and top bar. Take the 2 top bars and connect them using the long bolts and washers. Next, align the support bars into position and secure them using the long bolts and washers. Once the bars are installed, attach the top bar to the frame and tighten all hardware securely. Your Comfy Cubs Kids House gated floor bed is now ready for use. Always use a twin-size mattress only, and never allow children to climb or hang on the bars. If you have any questions or need additional support, please reach out to our customer support team. Thank you, and enjoy your new Comfy Cubs Kids House gated floor bed.